Rohit Krishna from grade 3 Sarang. I am going to enact a few scenes of Ramayana in a puppet show. You might all know that King Dasharatha has 4 sons, Rama, Lakshmana, Bharata and Shatrughna. All 4 of them went to sage Vasishtha's ashram until they were grown up. Now let's see what happened after they came back to the palace. One day, sage Vishwamitra came to King Dasharatha's palace. Oh, sage Vishwamitra, pranams. What brings you here? Oh, great King Dasharatha, I came here to call Rama with me and go because there are many demons and rakshasas disturbing my yagna. Oh, okay, great sage, but I can't send Rama. I will send my whole army if you want. But please, I won't send Rama because he is a very young boy. No, only Rama can do that, King Dasharatha. Only Rama can kill all the rakshasas disturbing our yagna. Okay, then I will send Rama and Lakshmana, O great sage, because they would have never been apart. Pranams, O father. What happened? Rama and Lakshmana, you have to go with sage Vishwamitra. You know him, correct? You might know him. Go with sage Vishwamitra to the forest because there are many rakshasas disturbing his yagna. You have to kill them. During the journey, sage Vishwamitra taught Rama many mantras and gave him a lot of advice. This is the thick and dense forest where Tataka lives. May the Lord be with you. Remember the mantras and astras I taught you. And if you miss Tataka, then she will grow stronger and kill you. Rama and Lakshmana walked into the dense forest. Tataka was sleeping among the trees. Rama sensed it and fired an arrow. What is that sound? Who dares disturbs me? Rama fired another arrow. Who's that throwing toys at me? I am Rama, the son of Dasharatha, said Rama. Rama fired another arrow. Ha! It didn't even touch me. I am getting stronger. Rama fired another arrow to kill Tataka. This time Tataka died. Yay! Lakshmana was overjoyed. Yay! My brother did it. Brother Rama is the most powerful person in the world. Yay! Soon after Rama killing Tataka, sage Vishwamitra took Rama and Lakshmana to Mithila, where Rama married Sita. And they all went back to Ayodhya. After coming back to Ayodhya, because of Dasharatha's orders, Rama, Sita and Lakshmana spent 14 years of exile in the forest. During the final year of exile, Rama went in search of a golden deer for Sita. But he didn't return back for a long time. So, Sita called Lakshmana to go in search of Rama. So, Lakshmana drew a sacred line around the hut and told Sita to be safe and not step out of the house. That time, Ravana knew that Rama and Lakshmana went out of the house. So, Ravana came disguised as a sage. Oh sage, what brings you here? I want food. I am very starving. Oh, okay, I will bring you food. But I won't cross this line because this line is a sacred line that Lakshmana put for me. So, if I cross this line, then I will be lost in the forest. No, you should not do that. Is this your respect to sages? Are you making me insulted? Come out, come out. Okay, here is food. I am Ravana, the king of Lanka. I am taking you away. While Rama and Lakshmana were in search of Sita, they found out Hanuman, the commander-in-chief of Sugriva, and he agreed to find out Sita. And he loved Rama so much that he wanted to become the greatest devotee of Rama on earth. Hanuman was flying over the sea. He went to Ashokavana in Sri Lanka. The Rakshasas were guarding Sita and Hanuman saw it. Hanuman was waiting for a time to see Sita and speak to her. By the time the Rakshasas fell asleep, Hanuman went and spoke with Sita. Oh, Ma Sita, please don't be afraid. Rama and Lakshmana are in search of you. Please come with me. You fly with me, I can fly. No, Hanuman, it's not like I don't want to fly with you, but I want only Ram to come with me to show he's a true warrior. Okay, then at least give me one jewel of yours for me to take it back to Lava and Lakshmana. Thank you. With the help of Hanuman and the monkey army, Rama was able to fight with Ravana and kill him. Rama, Lakshmana and Sita returned back to Ayodhya, where Rama ruled Ayodhya for a long time. Ram, 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 Ram. Jaya Ram, 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 Ram. Ram, 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 Ram. Jaya Ram, 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 Ram. Dasharatha Nandana Ram, Ram, Ram. Dashamukha Mardana Ram, Ram, Ram. Dasharatha Nandana Ram, Ram, Ram. Dashamukha Mardana Ram, Ram, Ram. Anada Rakshaka Ram, Ram, Ram. Apad Bandhava Ram, Ram, Ram. Anada Rakshaka Ram, Ram, Ram. Apad Bandhava Ram, Ram, Ram. Maithili Nandana Ram, Ram, Ram. Maruti Vandita Ram, Ram, Ram. Maithili Nandana Ram, Ram, Ram. Maruti Vandita Ram, Ram, Ram. Ram, 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 Ram. Jaya Ram, 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 Ram. Ram, 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 Ram. Jaya Ram, 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 Ram.